Field Mouse wants his kids to grow up to be like Macron. Well, why wouldn't you? Why, I mean... Hello? Hi, sir. Ron calling from UBS. How you doing?
Good.
Reason for the call, I understand you reached out to us with a complaint on the social media machine.
Correct.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What happened?
So I had a package, it says delivered, but I never received it.
You had a package that says delivered. Okay, let me take a look. I got the tracking information here. This was the package from Samsung. Hi.
Samsung, correct.
Samsung. Hi. Let me see here. Can I just confirm what was in the package?
It's a bespoke, I think. It's a refrigerator base.
A refrigerator base. Okay. And when was it supposed to be delivered?
It says October 2nd. It was delivered.
October 2nd it was delivered. Yeah, that's what I'm showing here. It was signed for by somebody called Tyrone.
Who?
Tyrone? Tyrone?
I don't know. Who is that?
Is that maybe a neighbor or a colleague of yours?
No, none of that I know.
Huh, okay. I'm just looking up the information here. Yeah, October 2nd, 3:30 p.m., signed for by a Tyrone. Are you telling me you don't know this person? I mean, they left a phone number. We always ask for a phone number when it's a third-party signing. Are you telling me you don't know this person at all?
No, I don't know.
Huh.
Just hold a minute. Sorry.
Just keep this in the car.
Who's that, Chode? Oh, what happened? Hello?
Just a minute, sorry. Hey, can you
doing
give
over
me will you be able to call me in 5 minutes? I'm in a dealer. Can you just give me a call back in 5 minutes?
You're with a dealer.
I'm outside. That's what I'm saying.
You came out and now you're with a dealer. Is that what you said?
What do you mean?
You said you
No,
came out
I am with
now you're a
I'm
dealer.
in an office.
You're in an orifice. So you're in someone's orifice because you're a dealer and you came out. Is that what you're telling me, sir? Because I'm calling about your UBS package, that's all. I'm just trying to establish.
Correct. That's what I'm saying. I am busy right now. Can you give me a 5 minutes call after?
Okay, yeah, I'll give you a call in 5 minutes. Okay, be ready.
Perfect, thank
be ready.
you.
All
Thank
right,
you.
son of a bitch. Ruined it. Hey,
Hello.
Hey, what happened?
What is that?
What happened?
No, I'm just getting out of another office.
You're just climbing off a client, did you say?
So let me ask you, who is this?
I'm calling from UBS, sir, by your package.
UPS or UBS?
UPS, yes.
And you're from UPS what?
I'm with the corporate complaints team, sir.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
I was passed your file by my team on social media. I understand you reached out to them.
Correct.
Yeah, so I've just been doing some investigating, and your package was signed for by Tyrone.
Okay, I don't know who Tyrone is. And again, I got an email from UPS saying they were not able to find the package, and they have already sent a request back to the shipper to provide the amount back.
No. That's not correct. That's not correct. The
Then
package.
I already have an email, and I was chatting with one of the agents.
No, Banchode. The package was signed for by Tyrone, so you will not be getting another package.
So who is Tyrone?
I don't know, sir. Usually in this case, is it someone, maybe a neighbor or someone you work with or a friend, a family member?
So who asked you to give to the neighbor? I never asked you to give to the neighbor or anyone, right?
You don't have the authority to ask us to do anything, so we deliver the package to the most appropriate reciprocant. You don't have any say
No,
in
who are
it.
you to give to anyone else? I asked the package to be delivered to my house.
Look, sir, it's no good yelling at me. I'm trying to help here.
Yeah, you are not helping me then.
Well, look, I have the phone number for the gentleman who has your package. I could patch him into the call if you want to speak to him. And probably you will find it's with a neighbor or someone in the neighborhood and they can get it back to you. Do you want me to patch him in now?
Yes.
All right. And just to confirm, it's showing here that it was delivered on the 2nd of October and it was signed for at 3:30 by Tyrone. And it was a refrigerator base from Samsung. Is that correct?
What is that?
It's a refrigerator base from Samsung. Hoi.
Correct.
Correct. Okay. Hold the line. I'm going to patch in Mr. Tyrone. I'm going to let you speak to him, okay? And hopefully we can get to the bottom of this together without any problem, okay? Bear with me a second here.
So what is that information then? What
Shut
you
up.
guys provided me? I already chatted with the UPS guy.
Hold on a moment, sir.
Hello?
Hello, ma'am?
Hello?
Ma'am,
Hi?
I'm calling with the UBS corporate office. We're calling for Mr. Tyrone.
You want to speak to Tyrone?
Yeah, please. Is he available?
Yeah. Who's calling again?
I'm calling from the corporate office at UPS.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to go get him. Can you wait?
No problem, ma'am. Yeah, take your time.
Okay.
Right.
What's your name?
My name is Ron.
Does he know you?
Well, he should have a package for Mr.
Just let me see. Just shut up. Wait.
Huh?
Tyrone!
Did you just tell me to shh? Oh, my God.
You have to wait a sec. Tyrone! Some guy.
What you want,
wants to talk
bitch?
to you.
Give me the fucking phone.
I answered your phone because I thought it was that bitch
Give me the
calling you all
phone.
the time, but it's you. Here you go. Fuck.
Stupid ass heifer. Yo,
Hello, is that Mr. Tyrone?
who is this?
So my name is Ron. I'm calling from the corporate complaints
Why
team.
you call my number, man? I don't know no damn Ron.
I have a Mr. Renju on the phone. He wants to talk to you about a package of his.
I already paid my rent.
No. It's about a package that you... Sir, go ahead. Tell him.
Hello.
So I don't know. You tell him. I mean, so there was a package delivered to my address, and the UPS is saying it was signed by you under my name.
Is this 7-Eleven?
Sorry.
Who is this?
So again, I am Renju Jose. The UPS. I have a UPS package I didn't receive. And the UPS is calling me saying, you had signed it for me.
I'm trying to figure out what you're asking me. I got a package. I got my refrigerator base unit came in. I signed for the package. Are you calling for a survey? I did receive it. Thank you. You can hang up now. Sir,
Hello?
I have the package. I received the refrigerator. I received it. I have
Who
it.
received it?
I did. Tyrone did. I signed for
Where
it.
did you... Who is it, Tyrone?
Yes. And it's now mine. It's mine.
It is yours? I don't understand what you guys are saying.
It's mine. I signed for it. It's mine.
No,
It's
no.
not yours.
This
Thank you for the money.
stupid
Thank you.
motherfucker.
But it's mine.
You're breaking up a little bit there, buddy. Let me call this asshole back. Stupid Banchode. Probably there's another Zoom meeting coming in here. Let's have a look. Yeah. Hey,
Yes.
what's your problem? Why you hang up?
I don't understand what you're saying. You connect me to someone else and you're saying you got it?
No, that was a different person, you stupid Banchode. He was telling you that he got the package. Why you don't understand?
Mind your words, okay?
Hey, Terry
Who the hell are you
Mackie.
to call me like this?
Hey,
Idiot.
Bossa
Get
DK.